Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard decisions. Making tough choices can feel overwhelming, but a structured approach can simplify the process. We'll explore a proven method to navigate complex situations, ensuring you feel confident in your final choice. This framework helps you move from uncertainty to clarity, providing a clear path forward every time. Let's dive into the first crucial steps. Once you've defined the problem, it's time to evaluate your potential solutions. Don't limit yourself. Brainstorm at least 3 distinct paths forward. For each option, carefully weigh the advantages and disadvantages, considering both immediate and future consequences. This critical analysis helps you understand the full scope of each choice, moving you closer to an informed decision. Take your time here. Now, let's introduce a powerful tool, the decision matrix. This method helps quantify your choices. First, assign a weight, perhaps from 1 to 10, to each of your decision criteria based on its importance. Then, score each option against every single weighted criterion. Finally, calculate the total score for each potential decision. The highest score often reveals the most aligned choice. With your decision matrix complete, select the option that scored highest. This data-driven choice provides a strong foundation. Next, create a clear, actionable plan for implementing your decision, outlining specific steps and timelines. Finally, after a period, perhaps 3 or 6 months, review the outcome. Reflect on what worked well and what could be improved for future hard decisions. This continuous learning refines your process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.